How it works. DVI-I 24+5 male to VGA female enables you to connect a DVI-I 24+5 port equipped desktop, laptop, video card to a VGA equipped HDTV, monitor, projector or projector, and support resolution up to 1080p. 1080p Full HD video adapter. This DVI VGA adapter supports resolution up to 1080p at 60 Hz. So you can enjoy HD video or image on the computer monitor, HDTV or big screen projector. Stable signal transmission. Slim DVI VGA connectors with screws not only support secure connection, but also easy plugging unplugging, gold-plated connectors to optimize its performance and protect your devices from ME and lossless signal between devices. Wide compatibility. This adapter compatible with all DVI-I 24+5 equipped laptops, desktops, video cards, and compatible with all VGA-equipped flat panel displays, digital CRT displays, monitors, TVs, projectors and displays. Compact, portable and easy to use, quick and easy installation. No settings and no software required. Lifetime warranty. 1 year worry-free for this DVI-I 24+5 to VGA converter. In-time customer service always at your disposal. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect passive device for DVI-I to VGA. Perfectly built passive DVI-I to VGA device. If you need VGA and have DVI-I, it's better to go passive to get the best out of the video card itself rather than use an active device.